Hello, everybody. Let us try to make a last minute revision on all the chemistry topics. Let's start with first the mole concept. Got it? Now, in mole concept, basic terms like stoichiometry should be very clear to you. So, here you can see empirical formula, molecular formula. These are the two terms you should be completely aware of. First one being empirical formula. Basically, it's the formula which depicting constituent atoms in their simplest ratio, while the molecular formula emphasizes on the formula depicted actual number of the atoms, okay, in one molecule of the compound. Correct? And if you notice, the next term what you need to be clear is about what is the relation between these molecular formula and empirical formula. Well, it's been used as a valency factor or just an n factor, okay, which represents, correct, the molar mass with respect to the empirical formula mass. Okay, so it's like molecular weight, correct, which I can write it as mw molecular weight divided by, got it, one second, let me show you, molecular weight divided by empirical weight. Okay, continuing with it. The other term that you need to revise is about densities. Okay, so let's start with that. Well, there are four various definitions that you need to remember. First, density is simple mass of the substance upon volume of the substance. Then the next term, density, is density of any substance with respect to density of the reference substance. Okay, this is another way of representing density. Correct? Which we usually use it as a relative density. Okay, the other terminology you can add to it is relative density. Correct? Next, the same relative density could be also termed as specific gravity, which is density of any substance. Just a second. So you can see specific gravity is basically density of any substance upon density of water at 4 degrees. Okay. Usually at 4 degrees, the density is 1 gram per ml. Okay. So that's why density of a particular substance will always be same as the specific gravity. Specific gravity is dimensionless. Got it? Next, the other term you need to know is about vapor density. Okay. That is again the ratio of densities of vapor of the density relative to hydrogen at a similar temperature and pressure. Okay, so usually to put it in the words, I would write it this way: vapor density is equal to molar mass of a particular gas by 2, because keeping it at constant temperature and pressure, you will end up getting this part only, that is molar mass of that particular gas by 2. Okay,